So one of the novel treatments that we are offering here is the HIFU. Some people refer to it as the ultrasonic facelift. It's been around a little while now and is a very safe treatment. One of the huge draws to patients about the ultrasonic facelift is there is no requirement for downtime. So it's very good for treating the lower half of the face, which can be quite difficult to treat even with fillers, and so it's a novel approach that we can use without injectables. And what happens is we use the ultrasound heat to cause contraction in the muscle layer in the deep layers of the face. And what happens is over time, it's not an instantaneous result, but over 1 to 2 months following the treatment, you'll get a contraction in the muscle. So one of the most popular areas to treat is the nasolabial folds that we get along here, and also sagging around the jawline. The treatment will take about half an hour to an hour, depending on the size of the area that you're treating. We use a topical anaesthetic, but it's a really relatively painless procedure. Some people might get a little bit of puffiness, a little bit of swelling after, but there's no peeling, no bleeding, no redness, and the follow-up aftercare is really very simple. That treatment will go on, causing collagen stimulation and causing contraction for several months afterwards, okay? Most people require 1 to 2 treatments, and that will be done at a 2 to 3 month interval after the initial one. As with everything in the aging process, we're going to continue aging. So over time, you may feel that you wanted to top up of that procedure. Other areas that can be treated are the upper brow area to help lift the brow, but essentially any part of the body can be used, can be treated with this modality to reduce sagging and cause the contraction and collagen stimulation. There are no real contraindications to this. People with dental implants need to be careful if they're having treatment over the face area.